buying at the cost of 10,000. Together, it will be 20,000. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Kwabena Kase. Even though you're not here, your presence has been felt, and it has been felt deeply and profoundly.
Here, Kwabena Kase, India, Dodona, Ebet Media Frana, Intimate different, and in Kesben, would be a hat or Kayamon, so connected to one or people her, and what she did me out here will come home was a linear out of our promise to make you back home. And Penisas are just let me know essay. A year is a year near the back one or back walk. I saw a year movie, which is a linear out of our promise as a year rock, but it was so easy. If she had a year and so. You are a champion of Edda, and you'll be a union of Lucia, and I'm going for that. Yeah, I'm not a federal door. Yeah, I'm not a federal door. And you never must say that now. You put me in the present. And you know, my young man in your fair.
Yes.
Sam Patenting.
Dr. William CEO Peggets, also buying at the cost of 10,000 Ghana cedis. Thank you so much, Dr. William Atabuafo.
Ora William Atabuafo ato engomane baako otono enesikai empimudu kaneti tisikano opepe waha. Yera ena Esra yena.
Yeah.
Asante mainame. Yaya Ramio and into your sick for saying to Tina Mekasi to Kobosu.
Yes,
Asante Manda.
Yes, Mr. William Ateusu buying the book at a cost of 10,000 Ghana cedis. He's the CEO of Peggets Decorations. Mr. William, Dr. William Osu, thank you so much.
Packet generation Maparabai. I wrote William Osu at a woman about and city and Pimudu connected to Sikano of Pipi Woman. Say the Russia media to Jano and Russell. Say Yera and Ma the Muswo.
Hello. Country. Now, Cheddar today observed the 27th anniversary of His Majesty and is buying the book at a cost of 20,000 Ghana cedis. Cheddar, 20,000 Ghana cedis. Nana Kwame Bediako, aka Cheddar, has done a huge donation to His Majesty by buying the book at a cost of 20,000 Ghana cedis. On behalf of His Majesty, I'd like to say a big thank you to you, Nana Kwame Bediako, donation to His Majesty, buying the book at a cost of 20,000 Ghana cedis, celebrating the reign of His Majesty.
Nana Kwame Bediako, Ediata Freno, and Cheddar, and Womanoti, what on and next day and Kim Aquino. Nana Kwame Cheddar, Nana Kwame Bediako, a friend Cheddar, and woman what about and Kim Aquino. Nano Fiadan so now or ha or Becca will be a Mayera. You said it will young. Yeah. The money you can buy ASA. Their force. The new force. The new force. No. What I want to be the summer. How you know out.
A.K. Kesler. He's not here. Kesler. And that of Asante be with you. And may the grace of the Lord also be with you. Wish you all the best.
If you share your no son in now Asante able say if you say now just so now was sitting here just Asante